In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Slack channel. Whether you're reorganizing your team or simply want a more descriptive name, renaming a channel can be a straightforward process once you know the steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Slack workspace account. Open your preferred web browser or the Slack desktop app and enter your login credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll see your Slack dashboard, which is where all your channels and messages are organized. Next, locate the channel you wish to rename. You can find your list of channels on the left-hand side of the Slack interface. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the channel you're looking for. Keep in mind that you need to be a channel manager to change a channel's name. If you're not, you might want to reach out to someone who can assist you with this task. Now that you've found your channel, click on its name to open the channel details. This is where all the essential information about the channel is displayed, including its purpose and members. Right under the channel name, you'll see an option labeled Edit. Click on this option to proceed with the renaming process. You'll now be able to type in the new name for your channel. When choosing a new name, remember that channel names should be concise but descriptive, helping team members easily understand the purpose of the channel. Once you've decided on a name that suits your needs, go ahead and type it in. After entering the new name, look for the Save Changes button. This is usually located at the bottom of the section where you edited the channel name. Click on this button to confirm and apply the changes. Slack will update the channel name across your workspace, and all members of the channel will see the new name immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed your Slack channel. This small change can make a big difference in keeping your workspace organized and intuitive for everyone involved. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to consult Slack's help resources or reach out to your workspace administrator for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating on Slack.